This is NET-200, and we are in week number 1, day 1. It's the first day. So we're using a generic login in what we're going to call the academic IT. This is Monday, 27th, first day of classes. We filled out the card information. We took a look at NetAcad, got everybody signed up, did a brief course overview, and talked about the schedule. In terms of the schedule, we would like to, on Mondays, start at 10 instead of 11 in the morning. But we'll talk about some more on Friday. So, we got into talking a little bit about the organization of the room, a little bit about now here we're going to talk about computing devices, end devices. And when we talk about on the edge, this is where the devices come in. Okay, it would be like we gave the example, we had maybe a phone, somebody had their phone or their laptop, and they were connected, but where they were connecting in was to this access point. Okay, whereas the PCs in the room, they were connecting in to the switch in the room, which is connected to a multi-layer switch in the wiring closet, which is connected to the firewall, which then uses fiber optics to catch a multi-layered switch. Then we have two connections through the Iowa Communications Network, who is services, that's our ISP. And then on the main part of campus, if we were to look at that, let's use, I don't know, use another color. They come in, they have a firewall, a little more expensive firewall than what we got, and then they come into their multi-layered switch, and this gets distributed across campus. For example, somewhere to a switch near us, and then we have an access point right in PC 229, but that access point connects in to the main campus. Okay, so two different scenarios. I term this area the academic IT area to separate it from the generally known IT areas. We talked a little bit about, then we're going to get started configuring these devices eventually. Not all tomorrow, but in the future here. And we talked about doing it from a GUI, a graphical user interface, or from the command line interface. And this is what we primarily use in this class. So we took a look at the big picture. We've got the internet in the cloud. We have our connection. We just got to where we started talking about protocols, rules for communication, and we took a glance at NetAcad, and here's where the students need to get started. There is a place they can download Packet Tracer, get it working on the computer they're going to be using for class. There's some intro information on NetAcad, and then they can start in Chapter 1. This work they need to be working on for Friday. Alright, so that's it.